guys, hi family, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, I share a lot of food recipes, vlogs, and a bit of my lifestyle, and you're highly welcome to join this beautiful family. So without taking much of your time, I will be revealing to you guys one of the gifts that I got on my birthday. If you haven't watched my birthday vlog, guys, I will leave the link down below so you can watch that video, because this video is linked to my birthday vlog. If you can remember, for those of you that have watched that video, there was that last present that I didn't get to show you guys because I was very much surprised, and there were a few of you that left comments in my comment box that you were looking forward to seeing that present, that gift. It was quite surprising to me. Yes guys, moment of truth. These are the two gifts that I got that I didn't get to reveal. So I've opened them already, and I'm going to open them in front of you guys now to see. I didn't expect this, guys. Since I started YouTube, I have been filming with my phone. I'm vlogging with my phone, and I'm quite used to vlogging with my phone. So this has been, I've had this now for 2 weeks, but to say I have the urge to even start using it, nope. I don't have, I'm used to my phone, guys. I wasn't even thinking of getting a camera anytime soon. So, but to say my husband got this for me, I am so elated. I am so happy. And this is it. It's a vlogging camera. So I'll open it up. Let's open it up together. So guys, that's it. It's a Sony digital camera ZV-1. Guys, I'm not a gadget person, honestly. That's the hand guide. I've opened this already, as I said, guys, because I was really surprised. And that is it. This is the camera. This is how it comes. Let me turn it on. That's the lens. See what is in the box. I'll put the camera down. That's it. It came with, that's the cable, the charger, and it came with a battery. I've already put the battery on, that's why it's on. And came with a microphone. That's it. That's one, guys. He got this as well, a shooting grip with wireless, which makes vlogging easier. That's it. Just taking it out, and what is inside is just how to use it, the handbook, the guide. So inside, extra battery. That's it, guys. It's a Sony as well, and it's got all those remotes and whatnot, guys. You can use it as a tripod. So this is the last gift that I didn't get to show you guys. This is what I didn't get to show you guys, of which it comes with a battery, charger, the shooting grip, a microphone. I still need to learn how to use these gadgets. I'm not a gadget person. I will definitely learn, but don't expect to see me vlogging or filming with this anytime soon. I'm quite confident with my phone. So this is the reveal, guys. And it's quite portable as well. One thing I like about it is that it's quite very portable. I enjoy how small it is. And another thing, guys, I'd never mentioned to him if I wanted the camera, but for him to go out of his way and get this for me, I'm so happy. That's why I was taken by surprise, and you could see me screaming and shouting. So thanks for watching up till this point, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned, guys, as we go along on this journey. Stay blessed, and do not forget to put a smile on somebody's face. I love you guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.